안녕하세요 everyone, this is Gia from Seoul. Today we'll be making Baechu gochugaru. I've made a few different types of gochugaru in my previous video. Today we'll be making a classic Baechu gochugaru which is made from the nappa cabbage. Gochugaru is basically a kimchi that's made to be eaten fresh without fermentation. Fresh kimchi goes especially well with dishes such as kalguksu, warm noodle soup, and Korean barbecue. Today the nappa cabbage that I'll be using is summer nappa cabbage. It's smaller and the leaves are thinner. Start by removing the root part of the cabbage. Then separate the leaves one by one. Use the smaller inner leaves as they are. And cut the larger leaves into bite-sized chunks. Typically, the leaves are cut diagonally against the grain like this. You will often see Koreans cutting cabbage like this. I like to stack a few leaves and cut them all at once. Check to make sure the leaves are cut into similar sizes. Then rinse them in water. Shake the leaves in the water to remove any dirt. And then drain. Now, let's prepare the ingredients for the fresh kimchi seasoning. Chop the green onion and place it in a bowl. Add minced garlic, gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, dark soy sauce, fish sauce, and brown sugar. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they form a paste-like consistency. It's time to mix the seasoning with the cabbage. This paste-like seasoning can be a bit tough to combine, so you'll need to almost massage it into the cabbage to ensure there are no lumps. Mix thoroughly for about 3 minutes until the seasoning is well incorporated with the cabbage. Once mixed, add a splash of sesame oil, toss slightly, and sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds. If you crave kimchi, but you don't have kimchi in the refrigerator, this recipe works wonderful. There's one thing that I would like to say. The mixing process of kimchi is very different from the salad. You don't want to just lightly toss using your fingertips. You have to sort of massage and squeeze quite tough like this so that all the seasoning goes well to the cabbage. If you're using the regular big nappa cabbage, I recommend to use only the inner leaves. Let me try one bite. It's crunchy and the flavor of kimchi, so delicious. This kimchi keeps about 2 weeks in the refrigerator, so don't make too much at once, but make it often. Okay, my Baechu gochugaru is done. It goes very well with rice. Typically, it is served with noodles or any meat dishes.